Hey, what's up guys? And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the Java programming language. And a lot of you may or may not know, what the language is, what it does, and how to use it. But for this particular part of the tutorial, episode 1, I'm going to be kind of giving you guys a little background on it, not really showing any code, more or less just explaining what it is, how it's best used, why to use it, how to get it, etc. So, first of all, what is a programming language? And a lot of you guys may be wondering, because a lot of you may be immediately directed to Java for whatever reason, and don't really know what a programming language is. And what a programming language is essentially just a way to generate a computer program, and then a way to edit it, to make it cooler, to make this do this, that kind of thing. So, it's basically like a gateway between you and making a computer program. Every program that you can find on any computer has been made with some sort of programming language, whether that's something simple or something very complex. So, how is Java used, and what does it accomplish best? Java is used as a programming language, so to build computer programs, and it's typically used to build stuff like very simple games, such as Minecraft. It can also be used for very more advanced games with 3D graphics, such as RuneScape, and it's also able to be used for many other different things. So, what does it accomplish best? Well, it accomplishes a lot of things very well, and I can't really tell you whether this is better or this is better, because there's so many different ways you can use it, and it all matters on the degree of skill that you have and the degree of experience that you have with the language. So, why should you use the Java language? Well, the Java language is very nice because it's very clean, it's very simple, and it's a great API. So there's lots of, I don't know if you guys know what an API is, but it has lots of references that are public access that make everything easier to do. It's very easy to learn in terms of syntax and tendencies, and it's very multi-purpose, and not to mention it's also multi-platform, which basically means that it can run on Windows, it can run on Linux, and it can run on Mac. So obviously you have to recompile everything that you make to work on different systems, but at least it has that ability to be able to work on different systems, because a lot of languages are not quite capable of doing that. Why should I use Java? Why not another, such as C++ or C#? And the reason for that would be that it's very simple, like I told you, and especially if you're just now learning how to program, it's very easy to start with something like Java because it's so much simpler. So that's really the only reason I can give. I mean, C++ is really cool, and equally is C#. So how do I acquire Java? Java's fairly easy to get to. You just have to go to, well, there are two different kinds of Java, and that is the Java development kit and the Java runtime environment. And the runtime environment is just for people who are going to be using Java rather than creating applications in it. So, for example, if you're playing a game that was made in Java, then you would have to have the runtime environment. The development kit is significantly larger, and it requires it allows you to actually develop using the language, and it gives you the compiler and all that kind of stuff. So, is it free to develop with? Absolutely. Java is entirely free, both to run and to develop with, so you don't have to worry about that. And that's really all I can tell you guys. If you guys have any questions, you can feel free to post some stuff in the comments. All I can really say is that I intend to take this tutorial very far in and explain to you guys stuff such as example programs. I'll be teaching you guys some syntax, showing you guys some stuff I'm working on eventually throughout the process, so you guys can see some examples of some I don't want to like toot my own horn here, but some more more advanced code. I believe that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all next time.